What's up, everybody? It's Homer Mac, aka Killer DBA. DBA stands for Database Administrator. I wrote a song called SQL Server 2016 about a year ago or so, and from there I've been able to perform the song in front of other DBAs at SQL Saturday Redmond, at Pass Summit, at Tech Square Labs, and at other venues, and I've had a ball doing it. But now I want to present my new song called SQL Server 2017. SQL Server 2017 is a Microsoft product that you can run on Windows, Linux, Docker containers, Azure. You can run it anywhere. So without further ado, I want to present my new song, SQL Server 2017. All right, Killer DBA. Peace.
To Microsoft. Oh yeah.
SQL Server 2017.
Let's go on. To Microsoft. Oh yeah.
SQL Server 2017.
Install on Red Hat, on SUSE, Ubuntu, or run it on Docker or VM in Azure. Install on Red Hat, on SUSE, Ubuntu, or run it on Docker or VM in Azure. Automatic database tuning, learning how to give you a solution. Graph databases, Python support, enhanced performance improvements. Our services has been changed to machine learning. May I explain? In order to support Python, in addition to the R language, it is renamed Resumable Online Index Rebuild. New CLI security model, identity cache, turn it on and off. And if you want a fast query with a low cost, you have adaptive query processing with the plan that's interleaved. Azure SQL Threat Protection Master Data Services.
Let's go on. To Microsoft. Oh yeah.
SQL Server 2017.
Let's go on. To Microsoft. Oh yeah.
SQL Server 2017.
You can run it on Windows and Linux. They didn't have to rewrite the code from scratch, they really didn't. The platform distraction layer, mapping through hosted extensions player. The new features show up on both platforms. The same binaries, just like yours. Always on availability group, the pacemaker technology for high availability. Shout out to Rohan Kumar and team. I heard him at Pass as the keynote speaker. Run it on Linux, run it on Docker, run it in the cloud. Nothing can stop it. New features for SSIS, SSAS, SSRS. I couldn't put it all in a song. Install SQL Server anywhere and you can't go wrong like
Let's go on. To Microsoft. Oh yeah.
SQL Server 2017.
Let's go on. To Microsoft. Oh yeah.
SQL Server 2017.
SQL Server 2017 represents a major leap towards making SQL Server a platform giving you choices of development languages, data types on premises or cloud, and operating systems by bringing the power of SQL Server to not only Windows but also Linux and Linux-based Docker containers.
Install on Red Hat, on SUSE, Ubuntu, or run it on Docker or VM in Azure. Install on Red Hat, on SUSE, Ubuntu,